Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will guide you how to learn touch panel buttons like power, home, back, volume plus, volume minus of Wi-Fi Android car player. So let's start. First of all, open applications, after that click on settings, then scroll and click on key learning. Now you can see here two options here. First for touch panel buttons, and second for steering wheel buttons, but you need to learn touch panel buttons. So choose first, then clear now. Start learning. Now you need match all. Corresponding buttons like power, home, back, volume plus, volume minus. That's it. Okay, save. Now you can check all the buttons are working. Thank you, guys.